Alright, so the color you can't really see very well. It's an incandescent bulb. Not very white light, but this is a light gray, which will show up a lot better in the morning. Paint is still wet. Tomorrow we get into cleanup and prep of the floors. And then the hardware should be going in tomorrow. Saturday. Working tomorrow, but just prep and clean up tomorrow. And Saturday, installation of the floors and the trim, and we're done another room. And this is what the final product looks like. Beautiful new bedroom. Beautiful hardwood floors. Everything looking very good here for her. So this is Caitlyn's room. Trim's done, floor's done, paint is done, ceiling is done. Quite nice.